Well, hello, this is Jeannie from Gomm Stained Glass, and I'm here to tell you about a booklet that we would like to give to you for free that's called Design the Window of Your Dreams. The reason we want to give this to you is because we want you to start thinking about what kind of window you would like in your home. And sometimes that's daunting, because you think, I don't know, I love stained glass, I've seen it in other places, in other residences and other businesses, but how do you go about it? You know, what do you do to find the window that really speaks to you and your family? Well, that's what this will help you do. And after you've gone through the booklet, we would like for you to get in touch with us so we can help you through this process. Well, I would like to talk to you about step number 1. And that is research for your window design. Now, some people, as they gather all kinds of ideas, like from magazines and from books and from online, they call all of that scrap. And they put it together and they think, okay, I like these colors, I like this texture. I want it to be oval or whatever shape your window is. I would like it to hang, or I would like it to sit permanently in my window. All of these things will be some ideas that will come out to you. Keep a little box or a little notebook of all of these ideas, and that will be your scrap. And these things will come to you, and maybe all of these ideas will come together, and you'll say, well, I like a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So get out your paper and pencil and just draw something. You don't have to be an artist to do this. A little sketch is all that I need to look at. You just think, I need this here and that there, and I'll get the idea, don't worry. So that's what we would like for you to do for your homework for this first step, is to go to places that have stained glass to get some ideas, get some books and magazines, talk to people. So get your ideas going and the creative juices flowing. And that's what we want you to do for your first step. And then, after you've done that homework, let's get together again for step 2.